Hello, students. Welcome back to the next session in which we are going to study monophasic liquid dosage form. Liquid dosage forms are generally used for internal and external purpose. In this session, we are only just going to see the internally used monophasic liquids that are mixtures. What are the learning outcomes of this mixture? After this presentation, you will be able to know the monophasic liquids for internal use that are mixtures. What are mixtures? Types of mixtures and formulation of mixture. First, let us see what are mixtures and what is its definition. A mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicament or medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a vehicle. These are the mixtures. Now, what is classification of mixture? Generally, mixtures are classified in five main classes. First, simple mixture containing soluble substances, then mixtures containing diffusible solids, mixtures containing indiffusible solids, mixtures containing precipitate forming liquids, and the mixtures containing slightly soluble liquids. These are the basic five main classes of mixtures, and these are the types we are going to discuss descriptively. Now, firstly, let us see simple mixtures containing soluble substances. Simple mixtures contain only soluble ingredients, so they are called as simple mixtures containing soluble substances. Means all the ingredients are solubilized easily. Example of such mixtures are carminative mixtures, diarrheal mixtures, and expectorant mixtures. The example of this type is dispensing 90 ml of mixture containing potassium bromide 4 gram, tincture Nux Vomiga 4 ml, and chloroform volume up to 90 ml. This is the example of mixture which contains soluble substances. Now, method of preparation of these mixtures is as: firstly, dissolve the solid substance in 3/4 of vehicle. Examine the solution critically by holding it against the light. If the foreign particles are visible, strain it through a cotton wool. Add any liquid ingredients. Add more of vehicle to produce the final volume. Transfer this mixture into the bottle, cork it, and then thoroughly polish the bottle to remove the fingerprints. Attach the label, wrap the bottle, and dispense. This is a simple technique used to prepare the mixtures containing soluble substances, and the direction is given as 1 tablespoonful to be taken 3 times after the meal. This is the simple mixture containing soluble substance. Now, next type of mixtures are mixtures containing diffusible solids. Now, what actually diffusible solids are? Diffusible solids are those which do not dissolve in water but may be mixed there with so that upon shaking the powder's drug is evenly diffused throughout the liquid for sufficient time to ensure uniform distribution in each dose. The commonly used drugs for this purpose are bismuth carbonate, bismuth subnitrate, magnesium carbonate, magnesium oxide, quinine sulfate, light kaolin, etc. etc. The method of dispensing such type of mixtures is: firstly, finely powder the drug in a mortar and add any soluble drug and mix it. Measure 3/4 of the vehicle. Make a smooth cream by using a portion of vehicle and then add remaining portion of the vehicle. Transfer the content of the mortar into the measuring cylinder. Rinse the mortar with little of vehicle and transfer it into a measuring cylinder. Now add any liquid ingredient if it is involved in the formula, then add more of the vehicle to produce the required volume. Transfer the mixture to the dispensing bottle, cork it, label it, and then dispense. Apply the secondary label to such mixtures that shake the bottle well before use. The example of this type of mixture is magnesium sulfate 15 gram, magnesium carbonate 2 gram, peppermint water, add up to 90 ml to make up the volume. Direction is given as 1 tablespoon to be taken 2 hours before the breakfast. This is the mixtures containing diffusible solid. Now next type of mixtures are mixtures containing indiffusible solids. Indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in water and do not remain uniformly distributed in the vehicle for sufficiently long time. So, suspending agent is used to suspend such type of drugs. The drugs as acetyl salicylic acid, quinine salicylate, phenacetin, benzoic acid, phenobarbital, etc. are used for preparing the mixtures containing indiffusible solids. The commonly used mixtures with indiffusible solids are compound tragacant powder 2 gram per 100 ml of mixture, tragacant mucilage 1/4 of the volume of the mixture is generally used. The method of dispensing of this type of mixture is same that like that of diffusible solids. Now next type of mixtures containing are precipitate forming liquids. Certain liquid preparations contain resinous matter when mixed with water. The resin is precipitated which may be adhere to the sides of the bottle or form a clotted precipitate which will not be rediffused upon shaking. This is the precipitate forming liquid mixtures. The preparation method is little different. Likewise, the fine powders are taken in diffusible solid and diffusible solid in the mortar. Then they are mixed in a compound powder of tragacant in a mortar. Then measured 3/4 volume of vehicle. To this add the portion of it and saturate to form a smooth cream. Add the remaining part of the vehicle. Measure the precipitate forming liquid in a dry measuring cylinder and add it in a slow stream in the center of the cream with rapid stirring. Dissolve the soluble ingredients if present in sufficient amount of vehicle. Add it slowly with constant stirring to cream to avoid the local high concentrations that may neutralize the effect of suspending agent. Add more of the vehicle to produce the required volume. Transfer the mixture into the bottle, then thoroughly clean the bottle, attach the label with a direction, shake the bottle well before use, and dispense the bottle. The example of such type of mixture is potassium iodide 2 gram, tincture lobelia ether 4 ml, tincture stramonium 16 ml, chloroform water, add up to 90 ml to make up the volume. The direction is given as 1 dessert spoonful to be taken 4 times a day. Now next type of the mixture is mixture containing slightly soluble liquids. The insoluble portion of slightly soluble liquids is not readily diffusible, so the suspending agent is needed to dispense such type of mixtures. The compound tragacanth powder and the tragacanth mucilage are used in the same proportion as discussed in mixture containing indiffusible solids. The example of this type of mixture contains paraldehyde 4 ml, syrup 8 ml, liquid extract of glycyrrhiza 2 ml, water added up to 30 ml. It is prepared in a draught form. The direction is take as directed by the physician. Method of preparation is as follows. Place paraldehyde in a bottle, add tragacanth mucilage and shake vigorously first. Then dissolve the syrup and liquid extract of glycyrrhiza in water and add it gradually to the content of the bottle. Transfer the liquid from the bottle to the measuring cylinder. Add more of the water to produce the required volume. Transfer the mixture to the bottle, cork it, label it, and then dispense it. This is the simple method of preparing slightly soluble liquid containing mixtures. Now, next, we are going to study the formulation of mixtures. The formulation of mixture or mixture contains generally vehicles and different adjuncts. Adjuncts. The vehicles generally used are water, aromatic waters, or medicated vehicles. Now, water generally used is purified water because the mixture should never be prepared by potable water because it contained volatile and non-volatile impurities. So, the purified water is generally preferred as a vehicle in a mixture. In aromatic water, you have already studied what are aromatic waters. These are the saturated solutions of volatile oil and volatile substances in purified water. Example as camphor water, chloroform water, peppermint water. Such waters are used as a vehicle for the preparation of mixtures. Many of the aromatic waters are also used as flavoring agents. Medicated vehicles. Sometimes a vehicle with definite therapeutic activity is prescribed. For example, compound gentian infusion, which is a bitter that stimulates the appetite, orange peel infusion, which is a bitter and a carminative, and infusion of senega, which is having the property as expectorant, are used as a vehicle for preparing the mixtures. Then next are adjuncts or additives we can say which are used in the preparation of mixtures. The following adjuncts are generally used to improve the stability, color and flavor of the mixture. First we are going to study the chemical stabilizers. Certain chemicals having antioxidant or reducing property are used to improve the chemical stability of the mixtures. For example, ascorbic acid 0.1% is prescribed in ferrous sulfate mixture to prevent oxidation of ferrous to ferric ions. Then coloring agents. No special coloring agents are needed to be added because the mixtures contain coloring medicaments that are drugs. Then flavoring agents. Aromatic waters such as anise water or syrup, glycerol for sweetening the pediatric preparations, then liquid extracts of licorice to mask the saline taste of certain mixtures. Spirit of lemon is used to cover the taste of alkaline citrates. Orange syrup and compound orange spirit to mask the metallic and astringent taste of iron salts in pediatric mixtures. These are some of the flavoring agents used in formulation of mixtures. Then preservatives are also added. Dilute vegetable extracts and flavoring agents have the tendency to grow the bacteria and fungi in the mixture. Hence, chloroform in the concentration 0.25% volume by volume and benzoic acid 0.1% weight by volume is used to preserve the mixtures. These are all the additives, or we can say these are all the ingredients which are used for the formulation of the mixture. This is all from this session. In next session we are going to study other internal and externally used monophasic liquids. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.